Welcome to Grain-Free News. Red and yellow lentils deserve attention for their impressive nutritional benefits and culinary versatility. According to a recent article in RI News Today by chef Walter Potenza, these humble legumes are packed with protein, fiber, and essential nutrients, making them a fantastic choice for anyone looking to improve their diet. Chef Potenza explains that lentils are more than just a healthy option. They're also incredibly adaptable. Their mild flavor allows them to be incorporated into various recipes, from hearty soups and stews to refreshing salads and flavorful dips. Because lentils cook quickly compared to other legumes, they're perfect for busy individuals seeking quick, nutritious meals. One standout benefit of lentils is their high protein content, making them an excellent alternative to animal protein for vegetarians, vegans, or anyone looking to cut back on meat. They're also fiber rich, which supports digestion and helps you feel full longer. Great news for those focused on weight management or maintaining steady energy levels throughout the day. Chef Potenza encourages people to explore lentils' versatility in both traditional and creative dishes. Whether cooking a classic lentil soup, adding it to grain-free bowls, or blending it into a smooth dip, lentils offer an easy way to enhance meals with nutrition and flavor. As plant-based eating trends grow, lentils become a go-to ingredient for health-conscious consumers. Their affordability, sustainability, and nutrient density make them a staple worth adding to your kitchen pantry. For the full article, visit RI News Today. The link is also in the show notes. And for a great lentil tortilla recipe by Grain-Free Insights, click on the link at the end of this video. Thank you for watching Grain-Free News. I'm Lee. At Grain-Free Insights, we always look for timely stories to share, so stay tuned for more updates.